What's up, guys? So today we're going to be reviewing a 2019 GLC 300 in white. As we come to the front of the car, we can see that it has a pretty aggressive stance and is optioned with the AMG night package. Now what this package gives you is this black grille, black bumper, and black side intakes. This package also offers you 20-inch AMG black rims wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion 255s. It also gives you these black side mirrors and door sills. As we come to the rear of the car, you can see that it looks very good. And because of the AMG night package, we have also black bumper on the rear, and it all comes together very well. Here's a quick 360. It's a very good looking car. Now let's hop in the interior of the 2019 GLC 300. Here's a quick look at the key fob, where you can unlock and also lock your car. This car supports keyless entry, which means you can stick your hand right here and the door will automatically unlock for you. When you open the door, you're greeted by beautiful black leather seats and also a black steering wheel. On the driver's side door panel, you have your standard Mercedes stereo system, heated seats, memory seats, your seat controls, your door lock and unlock, your window control, and your side mirror controls. Down here, you have your trunk release, and we have a Mercedes-Benz illuminated emblem right here with the AMG mattress, which comes with the AMG line. Now, as we hop in the car, we can see that this is a very beautiful flat bottom steering wheel with your paddle shifters right here, and is also adjustable accordingly by using a knob right here. Here's a look at the dash and the center console, which is wrapped in ash wood, black ash wood. Here in the middle, you can press it and it'll pop open for you for 2 cup holders and also a very miniature cubby space. Now you have a bigger cubby space back here for you to put whatever you want to put. This infotainment supports the Apple CarPlay, which is all controlled by this knob right here. Here's your dynamic control, your manual controls, auto start and stop, your volume control, your infotainment on and off, and also your traction control. Here's a quick look at the passenger side. Now let's hop in the back seat of the 2019 GLC 300. As you can see, same thing, standard stereo system and also your window controls. Very beautiful black leather seats and also AMG mattress. Now in the back, there's plenty of legroom. I am 6 foot, and as you can see, there's plenty of room back here. Here's the beautiful Panamera sunroof. And also a little center armrest for whoever's sitting in the back with 2 cup holders. That's pretty much it. Now let's hop in the trunk. Now we can take a quick look at the trunk. The trunk release will be right below the Mercedes emblem and will open with a click. Here we have around 19 cubic feet of storage for you to put whatever you'd like. Under this little latch, you also have extra storage and can make this whole space bigger with a click of this button and this button. This allows you to have around 56 cubic foot of storage area. Now you have a cover right here for you to pull so that you can hide whatever you want to put inside your trunk space. Now we would take a quick look at the engine. There's a small latch right here where you can just pull on and it will simply pop open for you. You would have to find a small latch in the front and it will simply open up for you without any effort. We have an inline 4 with direct turbo, and it produces 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This will conclude our final review of the 2019 GLC 300. Thank you for watching.